The best Western Plus Oslo Airport is a modern, recently renovated hotel located approximately 3 kilometers. That's a 5-minute drive from Oslo Airport. It offers contemporary accommodations with bright, modern decor and is known for its early breakfast service starting at 4 a.m. and convenient airport shuttle for a surcharge of 80 Norwegian crowns. The hotel features a top modern conference center, a spacious gym, and a restaurant focused on Nordic food made with local ingredients. It is an Eco-Lighthouse certified and cashless property. The hotel has a total of 201 rooms. Standard room with double bed, 313. Virtual visit, here is my objective assessment.
Positive points.
Tea and coffee making facilities. Good-sized TV. Phone to TV pairing.
Negative points.
Not sure what part was the plus side in Best Western Plus. Everything seemed very basic. I stayed in June 2025. The room, including breakfast, cost around 970 Norwegian crowns, that was equivalent to around 95 US dollars. That is a very good price. If you want to save money on transport, I suggest 2 tips. If you are traveling from Oslo Airport to the center, do not use the Flytoget Airport Express train, but use the VY trains. VY is the national train company of Norway. They are pretty much just as fast and cost half the price. My second tip is to get to the hotel from the airport by using the public bus 420 instead of the shuttle bus. Again, it is about half price. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the rating I give to the hotel at the end of the video. If you are thinking of spending a night in Oslo, click on the top right to see my review of the Radisson Blu Scandinavia. And click now to see my review of the Radisson Blu Plaza, the tallest hotel in Norway. And click again to see my review of the Lyse Bo Hotel just above Oslo. Here is the breakfast buffet. As I was leaving very early, this is the early bird breakfast between 4 a.m. and 6:30 a.m. on weekdays and 4 a.m. and 7 a.m. on weekends. The normal cooked breakfast is available between 6:30 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. on weekdays and 7 a.m. and 10 a.m. on weekends. It was okay, but though there was coffee, there was no cappuccino. Here is the small gym. There's a good selection of free weights. My rating 4.